Okay, that's our basic shape of a square done. Now we need to turn that shape into a cube, as I said before. Okay, now the function for this is called extrude. Okay, so there's a couple of ways we can find extrude. If we go to create, it's the top one there, so extrude, and you can see from the picture where that circle is coming out from the cube, that would have been drawn as a circle first of all, and then extruded out to become 3D. Okay, you can press D on your, or E on your keyboard as well, which will also get you extrude, but it will appear on the right hand side. So if I just cancel this for a second and we go to create and extrude, you'll see the same menu will then pop up. So either press E on your keyboard or go to create and extrude. Okay, so we have our extrude menu here. Okay, we have profile, start, direction, extend, extent, and operation. Okay, extent refers to the distance. Start is the actual profile that you want to do, which you're going to select here as well. Direction we can change from being one-sided, two-sided, or symmetrical. One-sided is fine for today. And also you have operation, which is a new body, which is what we're going to use today. Okay, when you're doing a more complicated drawing, you might have different bodies and so on, so that gives you a reason here too. You can join, cut, intersect. A little bit more detail, we'll get into that later on. Okay, for now guys, I just want to select the profile. So the profile is the first thing I select, which is actually the square here, so I'm going to click on that. Okay, nothing seems to have happened just yet. If I go up here to the top right hand corner, you see a little home button up there. If I press that, it gives me a 3D representation of my square again. So I can turn that square into a cube. The distance here, you can either type, okay, so if I typed in, for example, 50, okay, you see how it will extend a distance of 50. You can also grab the arrow and move it in and out as you like. Okay, see how it changes by 5 every time there. Okay, depending, it's up to you. Depending on the job that you're doing, either way works the same. Okay, I'm going to zoom out a little bit here so we can see the entirety of the cube, and I'm going to pan it along there like that. If you want to pan, guys, you can just press down the roller on your mouse and you can move around your drawing from there. Okay, so pressing down the roller and move the mouse after that will allow you to pan, which is quite useful as well. Okay, operation is new body. I want mine to be 100 because my square was 100, so I want the cube to be 100. And then I'm going to press OK when I have all those selected. So profile is fine, one side is fine, distance is 100, taper angle is 0, and that's fine. Press OK. There I have my cube now created. Okay, it was a 2D square, it's now a 3D cube. So I simply just went to create, go to extrude, select the profile that you want, the direction, and new body is fine, and that should allow you to create your cube. Okay, that's enough information for this. Okay, you should all be able to extrude hopefully now. So I want you to have a go at that, guys, and we'll move on to the next step after that.